Want creamy, spicy, and delicious pasta in just 20 minutes? Let's make Cajun chicken pasta. 2 chicken breasts, sliced thin. 2 teaspoons Cajun seasoning. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 red bell pepper, sliced. 1 yellow bell pepper, sliced. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 cup heavy cream. 1 cup chicken broth. 1 cup Parmesan cheese. 250 g fettuccine or penne pasta. Salt and black pepper to taste. Fresh parsley for garnish. Season chicken with Cajun spice. Heat olive oil in a pan and cook chicken until golden, then set aside. In the same pan, sauté garlic and bell peppers until soft. Pour in chicken broth and heavy cream. Stir and let it simmer. Add Parmesan cheese, salt, and black pepper. Mix until creamy. Toss in cooked pasta and the chicken. Coat everything well in the sauce. Sprinkle fresh parsley, serve hot, and enjoy your creamy Cajun chicken pasta. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.